In this tutorial I will show you how to change background color in Adobe Photoshop. Go to Select and choose Subject. Photoshop did a great job. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Choose any color that you like and then press OK. Click on the mask and press Ctrl-I to invert it. The problem now is that the shadow is not showing. To fix this, go to Blending Mode and choose Multiply. You can change the color by clicking on the solid color and changing it to whatever you want. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.